Hey clouds, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this cute, sleek hairstyle. It's like a ponytail with a part design and then curly hair. I am also going to be showing you guys my new nude lip collection swatches at the end of this video. Right now I'm wearing Rum and Coke, which is such a pretty, gorgeous, deep, dark nude. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started with the tutorial and then the swatches.
Hey, I'm back. So I love doing this type of hairstyle whenever my hair is like on its last day. I need to wash it, so I got to do something with it. That's a good go-to hair up style day. So now for this tutorial, you're basically going to need a hairbrush, ponytail, and a couple bobby pins. Depending on how thick your hair is, I like to use like a fresh new ponytail, so I only need one, but sometimes I do need two. But today, luckily, we got away with one. So now we're just going to be parting our hair. You can part it as far to the side as you want. I like to go like a happy medium, just like slightly off from the middle. And then if you do have a comb, also, I should have said comb, go ahead and grab a comb, but I like to use my long nails just to, pretend it's a comb because it's kind of easier that way. But yeah, I'm just going to be using my nails to part my hair. I like to grab like at least an inch, not too much, not too little, and then we are just making sure we're separating it from the rest of the hair, which is going to be in the ponytail. Now, I really like to make sure that this separated hair section is like as straight as possible. That's why a comb might be better. But again, I just used my nails because who has time to look for a comb? So yeah, as soon as we get the little part situation figured out, we are just going to be putting the other rest of the hair up and away, and we are really going to make sure that this is perfected. Now, you don't have to grab like the whole entire side pieces. You just really need a good base because your hair will like cover the edges. Now, I want to make sure that this is the right amount of hair, right amount of partage that I like. And then we are going to be just grabbing a couple bobby pins and putting that in place so we can work on the rest of the hairstyle. Now, I actually used like 2 bobby pins just to secure it. If you have like one of those small little rubber band or small ponytail holders, go ahead and pop one in. Makes it easier, but I like to just twist it and then like do a little bobby pin X thing, and you can see it kind of works that way. So now we are going to be moving on to the actual ponytail part. So again, going back with that brush and brushing my hair. I also find it like way easier if you take that brush and just brush your hair the way that you want your hair to go. For this ponytail style, we are brushing everything straight back. Straight back. We're going to do like a high ponytail, as high as possible. The higher the better, but it just depends on how like your hair wants to lay. I did mine not like right there. We're going to go a little higher, but you definitely want it high just because when you're looking from the front, you want to be able to see the ponytail and the bang design as well. And now, as I said, you do want to take that brush and like just make sure you're smoothing out all over so that ponytail doesn't have any bumps in it whenever you do actually get ready to put the holder in. I like to do this a couple times. It kind of seems repetitive, but it really does help make sure that there's like no bumps, especially when we go in and tighten up that ponytail. So this is why I like doing ponytails on like a last day to wash my hair option, just because it's a little easier to work with. I do have like really thick hair. It probably does not look like this. I'm told all the time that it doesn't look like I have thick hair until someone messes with it and they're like, oh wow, thick hair. But yeah, so it is just easier for me to work with my hair on these days, and I don't need like 10,000 ponytails. So yeah, we are just going to be ponytailing it up right now, and then I only like to do 3 loops. That's as much as my hair will fit. Then tighten it a little bit. I honestly like this little hair ponytail design that my hair has right now. It's like straight and then flipped at the end. It's really cute, but we're gonna move on from that here soon. Now we are doing the bangs. Now also, instead of parting the bangs, you could just do a whole entire side swoop and it would look really cute. But personally, I like the middle part, so I'm grabbing a bobby pin and just making sure that, not middle part, I don't know why I keep saying middle part. I personally like the side part just because, I don't know, I think it just matches my face shape well. So we grabbed a bobby pin and we did that side part where it's like perfectly straight. And we are going to be playing around with this, making sure it's going to be laying how we want to before we actually grab a bobby pin and secure it in. I recommend either like straightening this piece or just getting some hairspray and also brushing it, just because like the brush really helps the way that you want it to lay. There's the hairspray right there, girl. And then we are just going to be like really making it lay flat as possible because we want it to kind of look like it's just it's going to be weird. We want it to look like it's stuck there. So yeah, we are playing around with it, making sure it's going to lay right, and then secure it in. I like to do like 2 to 3 bobby pins when I secure it in. I do one at like behind my ear, one below it, and then like one at the tail, just because I don't want like a random piece of hair just back there doing its own thing. So, oh my gosh, you know how hard it is to open bobby pins with like long nails and bling on your nails? It's like really, really hard. So I just use, you know, how I did there. So there's bobby pin number 2, and I'm going to be going in with bobby pin number 3 like afterwards before I finish the rest of my hair out. Fun fact, this earring right there was not actually all the way in. I don't even know how to explain it, but like it was just hanging there, clipped to my ear, and it like really, really hurted. And yeah, my ear is red, but you know, beauty is pain, so worth it. And basically we are doing the same thing to this other side. This side is a lot easier just because there's less hair, so you can just really like slick it down, put a bobby pin, and you're good to go. Now, like I said earlier, you can leave your hair like this. You don't really have to curl it, but I think I want to be a little bougie and just throw some curls in, so we're going to throw some curls in. Now, I am going to be grabbing my straightener, which is, you know, it's my easier way to curl my hair. I just like it better. It's just quicker and faster, just because the curling iron I have, it does take a little longer to heat up, and it doesn't get as hot as I like. So I grab this cheese straightener and I control the temp, and it's super easy. But basically we just grab a strand of hair, pull it like you're going to straighten it, and then turn it to the side. You want to go away from your face whenever you're doing this side of your hair, just because the curls will go away from you. And the slower you do, the more bouncier the curl is. The faster the curl, it'll be like a little straight with a little thing at the end. But yeah, see, we just take it, turn it, and then like slowly work it way down. It's so easy, so quick, and I really like the curls. And the smaller the pieces, even better, because the curls are going to be super bouncy and pretty and looks like you literally curled it. I would say this is, it probably is not as quick as I like to think. It's a little more tedious just because you have to like slowly go down the strands. But again, I really like the way it looks, and it feels like it's faster just because I'm not like sitting there counting to 30 with my curling iron and waiting for it to get curled. No, I can just like see the curls as it goes. So that's why I like it. Again, I like to do smaller pieces just because that's actually a big piece. But normally I like to do smaller pieces just because it like looks really, really good, like ringlet curls. I do love actually working with rollers, like hot rollers. I'm going to order me some here soon because I used to use those all the time, and they're so quick and easy, and I love it. Even though it's kind of like old school, we're definitely bringing that back just because it's so easy. So yeah, here is the last piece of my curl for this side, and then I'm going to do the next side and explain to you exactly what we do. So here is the next side, and basically it's the same thing, but you're going to be doing like the opposite way, away from your face on this side. This is just a really good tip because like if you do them all the same way, then your hair will just be like one big curl, and that's cute too. But I like to have like volume and texture and just like a little variety of my curls. It's just like a little more sassier to me. I don't know, I just really love the look, so that is why I suggest like doing your curls away from your face on each different side. So yeah, this side of my hair for some reason has less hair. I think it's because I sleep on that side a lot, I don't know, but this side is always quicker to curl. So yes, all you have to do is finish up curling your hair, and then we are going to be almost done. I like to spray it in with some hairspray to lock in this look, but yeah, that's basically it. And last curl. And yeah, so I also like to just give my hair one little more, you know, squeeze at the top, just because me pulling on my hair while curling it might have like deflated it a little. Look, you'll see right here. Yeah, just a little more squeeze, and then that extra volume does come up, and it's just more sass, more bougie, and oh my gosh, I just love it. So simple, but so like, I don't know, bomb. I love it. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you guys here soon.
I love this hairstyle so much. Like, I just can't believe how easy and just like bougie it is at the same time. So cute, so simple, but like extra. Let's go ahead and get started with the lip swatches, and then I'll come see you guys to tell you bye-bye.
So this is not a new product. This is my shade Designer. I just wanted to throw it in there because I did pair this and the next shade with my new 3 nudes. So we have like a full nude collection. meaning the full nude collection is all 5 shades, or like the new nude collection is just the new 3, which you'll see here soon. The first one you saw was Designer, and now this one is Huntress, which is just slightly deeper and darker than Designer. I really loved Huntress. Huntress is actually one of our first original shades that we launched, and I think that's why it'll forever be my favorite. It's a perfect, deep, sassy nude, and I just love it. So yeah, these were the 2 not new collection. So here is the new. This one is called Pumpkin Spice. It's a little deeper than Huntress. Not really deeper, it's just more brown than Huntress. And I love it so much. So here's what it looks like when you open it up. And we are just going to swatch it. It's so creamy, so smooth, and just fits right on the lips perfectly. Again, a little like more brown than the other 2. But it's definitely like a perfect brown nude shade. I definitely had to add this to the collection, and it's just like everything. I honestly, this is my new go-to. I just love it so much. Pumpkin Spice, yes, you know, had to do something cute because everyone loves pumpkin spice. Now this new collection is also super creamy, super long wear lasting, and very hydrating and nourishing whenever you wear it. So it'll just be beneficial for your lips while you're wearing it. It's not going to dry your lips out like, you know, other lipstick shades do. So this one's Pumpkin Spice, and next we're going to be showing you Brown Sugar. I love Brown Sugar. It is actually like a deep nude with a little sparkle metallic flare. It's so pretty and just like perfect. It's definitely going to be perfect in the fall just because it's so dark, or if you like those dark lips, you know, girl, this one is for you. Definitely gorgeous with like a nice simple but not overwhelming sparkle. That's why I named it Brown Sugar, because you know, brown sugar gives you like that sparkle. Now, last but not least, the new collection. This is Rum and Coke. I really love that name just because it's super cute. And also, it's just like a deep, dark nude. And it kind of does remind me of Rum and Coke. Ugh, so pretty. So yeah, this is the darkest nude that we have. I've really needed more nudes to our collection. So now we have 5 nudes. Watch out. What do you guys think? Let me know which shade you like the most. Again, my go-to right now is Pumpkin Spice, but I'll definitely be doing like Brown Sugar and Rum and Coke just to switch it up. And actually, I don't know, Rum and Coke is a mood though. It's definitely a mood. It just gives me like boss vibes. I don't know, I really, really like it. Well, I love them all. That's why I just had to add them all to the website. But yeah, let me know which one is your favorite in the comments down below, because I can't wait to hear from you guys.
Well, that's all for today's video. Let me know what you guys think of the tutorial and the swatches in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit that big like button. And I'll see you guys very soon. Bye, clouds. I love you guys. Okay, I'm hopping back on here really quickly again just because I noticed while I was editing right now. Brown Sugar. Girl, why didn't you want to be on camera? She was camera shy or something, or my camera just stopped filming. I don't know. That's probably the answer. But this is Brown Sugar's time to shine, so let me show you the swatch of her. Bomb, so bomb. Okay, ready?
All of these just glide on so effortlessly and so smooth, and just how creamy and pigmented they are. It's so amazing, and honestly, it feels so amazing on the lips. Like, I can't wait for you guys to try these. They are on sale right now, www.skylerbeautyco.com. Don't miss out. XO Sky for free shipping.
Beautiful. Okay, well, now I'm going to go hydrate my lips again because this was a lot of wiping off we did. This is my lip care set in vanilla. This is the conditioner. This is the lip scrub. Lip scrub goes first, and then the conditioner goes second. This really just like rejuvenates your lips and locks all the moisture back in. Perfect for chapped, dry lips. But yeah, okay.